Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Pink Tumblr. I have a friend that I met from school. She was a transferee. At first, she was kind of weird. She was always wearing this pink cardigan underneath her school uniform, and she was always carrying her pink tumbler wherever she went. But as time went by, we eventually became friends. I don't know the reason why she transferred in our school. Ayaw niyang sabihin ang past niya, and I did not bother asking. She was caring, pretty, and kind. There was a time na kumain kami sa labas, but I forgot to bring my own water bottle. So I asked her kung pwede ba akong makiinom sa kanya. But she did not say a word and was uncomfortable, kaya bumili na lang ako. Biglang isang araw, hindi siya pumasok. Naisip ko, typical na absent lang. Hanggang sa 4 months na ang lumipas since huli siyang pumasok. Of course, as her friend, I was worried. I texted her, called her, pero kahit once, hindi siya sumagot. Until one of our classmates na polis ang nanay told us na patay na raw siya. At first, hindi ako naniwala. Pumunta ako sa bahay niya para magtanong. Sa kasamaang palad, nanay niya mismo ang nagsabi na she committed suicide. And the reason bakit siya naka-cardigan palagi was to cover all the self-harm she inflicted to herself. Puno pala ng laslas yung kamay niya. You know what's worse? Yung pink tumbler niya pala na lagi niyang bitbit at ayaw niya ipainom sa iba ay may lamang kape na may halong magic mushroom. This was to keep her hallucinating and to prevent her from killing herself from the trauma of being raped. Na-rape and nabully pala siya over and over again sa previous school niya and hindi na niya kinaya ang bigat.